Hello, I'm going to talk about how to identify variables in your experiment from your problem. So I just wrote up the problem for the GrowGator. How does the liquid type affect the length of the gator that the gator grows? The directions on your assignment for this quadrant ask you to underline the independent variable. The independent variable is the variable that is changed by the scientist. So remember when we were setting this up, we determined which liquid types we would use. So liquid type, I would underline because that is our independent variable. All right. Next, it asks you to circle the dependent variable. This is something that changes because of what we change. So when we changed the liquid type, that affected the length. So we're going to circle length because that is our dependent variable. The second part of the directions ask you to list at least 3 constants or control variables, and then write a hypothesis or a prediction. So if we take a look, our constants are things that we are not going to change. So in our experiment, we did not change the containers. We did not change between them the gator. So I bought the same gators from the same company, right? Another thing we didn't change is temperature. They were all in the same room. The experiment took place in the same place. So those were some of our controls or constants. Now, if I write a hypothesis or a prediction, I'm going to use the if-then format. And so remember, the first part is your independent variable. Okay, so that's going to be liquid type. So if the gator soaks in, we'll just say Sprite, then the gator will grow. And this is where we put in our dependent variable, which is length. So it will grow longer. And that's a statement with a period. So there are many examples on your assignment, and you should go through the thinking to fill those out just like I modeled here. Feel free to look at this again. Thanks.